The Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises (Cgtmse) is a unique scheme introduced by the Government of India to facilitate credit flow to micro and small enterprises (MSEs) without requiring collateral security or third-party guarantees. The scheme was launched in August 2000 and is managed by the Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises (Cgtmse), which operates under the guidance of the Ministry of Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprises (MSMEs). The Cgtmse scheme provides several benefits to MSEs, lenders, and the overall economy. In this response, we will explore the various advantages of the Cgtmse scheme in India. Enhanced access to credit. One of the primary benefits of the Cgtmse scheme is that it enhances the availability of credit to MSEs, particularly those without sufficient collateral or credit history. Many MSEs face challenges in accessing formal credit due to their limited assets or lack of creditworthiness. The Cgtmse scheme mitigates this problem by providing credit guarantees to lenders, encouraging them to extend loans to MSEs. This leads to increased access to credit for MSEs, enabling them to meet their working capital requirements, invest in business expansion, upgrade technology, and fulfill other financial needs. Collateral-free loans. The Cgtmse scheme allows MSEs to obtain loans without providing collateral security or third-party guarantees. Traditionally, lenders have required collateral to mitigate the risk of default. However, many MSEs lack sufficient assets to offer as collateral. By guaranteeing a portion of the loan, the Cgtmse scheme eliminates the need for collateral, making it easier for MSEs to access formal credit. This benefit is particularly significant for micro and small enterprises, which often operate on a small scale and have limited assets to pledge as security. Reduced risk for lenders. The Cgtmse scheme acts as a risk mitigation tool for lenders. Under the scheme, the Cgtmse provides a credit guarantee cover to lenders for a portion of the loan amount extended to MSEs. In the event of default by the borrower, the Cgtmse reimburses the lender for the guaranteed portion of the loan. This reduces the risk associated with lending to MSEs and provides lenders with an added layer of security. Consequently, lenders become more willing to extend credit to MSEs, even those with limited credit history or collateral, thereby promoting inclusive lending practices. Higher loan amounts. The Cgtmse scheme facilitates higher loan amounts for MSEs. Under the scheme, eligible MSEs can avail of credit facilities up to 2 crore, subject to certain conditions. This higher loan limit enables MSEs to undertake larger business projects, expand their operations, purchase modern machinery, or invest in research and development. By providing access to larger loan amounts, the Cgtmse scheme supports the growth and development of MSEs, helping them realize their full potential. Competitive interest rates. Another advantage of the Cgtmse scheme is that it encourages lenders to offer competitive interest rates to MSEs. The credit guarantee provided by the Cgtmse reduces the risk for lenders, enabling them to offer loans at lower interest rates compared to unsecured lending options. This makes the cost of borrowing more affordable for MSEs and enhances their financial viability. Access to competitively priced credit promotes MSEs sustainability, as they can utilize the funds more effectively and generate better returns on their investments. Wide coverage of MSEs. The Cgtmse scheme covers a wide range of micro and small enterprises, including manufacturing units, service enterprises, and small business enterprises in the retail trade sector. This comprehensive coverage ensures that MSEs across various sectors and industries can benefit from the scheme. It includes enterprises engaged in activities such as textiles, food processing, engineering, handicrafts, computer programming, consultancy, retail trade, and more. The scheme's broad scope enables MSEs from diverse sectors to access credit and leverage financial support for their business growth. Streamlined loan application process. The Cgtmse scheme simplifies the loan application process for MSEs. Typically, MSEs face challenges in fulfilling the documentation and paperwork requirements for loan applications, which can be time-consuming and burdensome. However, under the Cgtmse scheme, the application process is streamlined, and the documentation requirements are minimal. This reduces the administrative burden on MSEs and expedites the loan approval process. As a result, MSEs can obtain credit quickly, ensuring timely availability of funds for their business operations. Entrepreneurial development. By facilitating credit availability to MSEs, the Cgtmse scheme promotes entrepreneurial development and encourages the establishment of new enterprises. The scheme enables aspiring entrepreneurs to access formal credit easily and launch their ventures, leading to increased employment opportunities and economic growth. Moreover, the availability of credit also supports the expansion and modernization of existing MSEs, enhancing their competitiveness and contributing to overall industrial development. Economic growth and employment generation. The Cgtmse scheme plays a vital role in fostering economic growth and employment generation. MSEs are considered the backbone of the Indian economy, contributing significantly to employment, innovation, and export earnings. By providing financial support to MSEs through collateral-free credit, the Cgtmse scheme stimulates business growth and expansion. This, in turn, leads to the creation of new job opportunities, income generation, and poverty alleviation. The growth of MSEs also has a multiplier effect on various sectors, as they engage in supply chains, procurement, and service provision, contributing to overall economic development. Social and regional inclusion. The Cgtmse scheme promotes social and regional inclusion by ensuring that MSEs from all segments of society and across different geographic regions can access formal credit. The scheme is particularly beneficial for women entrepreneurs, rural enterprises, and those belonging to economically weaker sections of society who face additional barriers in accessing credit. By providing equal opportunities for MSEs across different backgrounds, the Cgtmse scheme supports inclusive economic development and empowers marginalized communities. In conclusion, the Cgtmse scheme in India offers numerous benefits for micro and small enterprises, lenders, and the overall economy. It enhances access to credit for MSEs, enables collateral-free loans, reduces the risk for lenders, supports higher loan amounts, promotes competitive interest rates, and streamlines the loan application process. The scheme also facilitates entrepreneurial development, fosters economic growth, generates employment opportunities, and promotes social and regional inclusion. By providing financial support and encouraging the growth of MSEs, the Cgtmse scheme plays a crucial role in driving India's economic development and building a robust and inclusive business ecosystem.